Hi, this is Chai Leela and I'm the operation head of Chai Leela. My name is Ayush Kurre. So we started this brand in 2022 and we started our expansion recently in 2024. So for us, our franchisee owners are the first point of contact for profit, and then after that we become profitable. So I'll explain you a little model of Chai Leela. So what we do is our model is mainly based off hybrid FOFO model. So it's mainly half company operated and half franchisee operated. So what we do is we do all of our efforts in marketing, training staff, everything. So if I tell you about our food menu, it's about 180 plus items, and for all the menus we have created SOPs. So even for example, even if you're making a Maggie, uh, uh, at how much temperature the water should boil, that is also we have kept it in our process. So that's how we train our staff. That's how we have put this model as stepless model, and that's how we are able to scale it. So for now, we are available in the three cities, which is mainly Bhopal, Indore, and Bangalore. And in the next 2 months, we are coming to the 15 more cities. और हमारी कंपनी ऐसा सजेस्ट करती है कि आप 800 to 1000 स्क्वायर फीट से चालू कर सकते हैं अपना मॉडल, which can go up to around 3000 to 4000 square feet in tier 2 cities. For tier 1, the rent would be more, so that's why we advise our franchisee owners to go for 800 to 1500 square feet maximum. राइट तो इसमें अपना इन्वेस्टमेंट आता है फॉर लोएस्ट स्टोर 800 to 1000 स्क्वायर फीट में हमारा इन्वेस्टमेंट आता है 17 to 20 lakhs का, और इसके बाद जितना एरिया बढ़ता है और इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑल्सो इंक्रीजेज अपॉन दैट. सो वी हैव फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट विच इज 6 lakhs plus GST, which is our franchisee fee, plus 6 lakhs is the equipment cost. So it's around 12 lakhs. After 12 lakhs, how much area you want to increase, how much more area cafe you want to build, your price range will depend on that. And in this we provide everything. We provide marketing lifetime free, training support lifetime free. What we do in this franchisee fee is more than 50% of our franchisee fee we directly spend on the launch day. So what we try to do is we try to create a buzz in the market that a new cafe is opening. So we try to collaborate with more of the influencers. We try to bring in more of the people who are famous on Instagram. We try to bring in singers. We try to bring in or do more events like marathons or collabs with other different communities. So that's how we spend our most of the franchisee fee. Then what we do is on the first day, launch day, whatever sampling we do, we actually try to provide a platter in which we have 5 of our best sellers, and we give that free to all the people who come on the launch day. So if on launch day your friends and families are coming, all the costs will bear upon us as a company. So that's how we try to provide cushion for the franchisee owners. And what we do is we don't take royalty before our franchisee owners are operationally break even. Before that, if suppose for example your operationally break even is 6 lakhs and you're doing a business of around 5 lakhs 99,000, we won't take any franchisee royalty from you. But if you're more than 6 lakhs, if you are crossing your operational break even, then only will charge a minimal royalty which is 5%. So that's how we work. We try to cushion our franchisee owners so that they can put in money in their business and try to grow, and we are basically correlated. So once our franchisee owners get profitable, then only as a company we earn. So for that, that's how we have created our model. So you are free to come and visit us and get more information about our model. Thank you for your support.